Okay, good morning, student. 20 24 July, Friday, with happy morning on Guru Purnima. I welcome you, ninth B batch for Science 1, chapter number 2, Work and Energy. 2-3 minutes we will revise the point 50% which we have completed on work. Definition of work: when force is applied and displacement take place, that is known as work. Unit of work: joule. Formula of work: W is equal to F into S. F for force, S for displacement, W for work. 1 joule is equal to 10 raised to 5, 10 raised to 7, 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised to 5, 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised to 5 dyne. 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to 2 centimeter. Then we have seen done, not done. Not done by 3 reasons. If it is done, it can be positive, it can be negative. This is the total summary of previous work done, unit, formula. Now, if the work we have to count, work done or not done. When work is not done, when no force applied, when force applied but no displacement, when force and displacement are perpendicular to each other. Follow? Positive, when force and displacement are in same direction. When force and displacement are in opposite direction. This is the overall summary of work done. Work done can be positive, work done can be negative. For work done 0, there are 3 possibilities. You are not applying force. The duster, if I will not apply any force, it will not move. One big stone, one big building, when you will apply force, but it will not move. 0 displacement, 0 work done. And when force and displacement both are perpendicular to each other. Very good example: moon revolving around the sun. So force of attraction of gravitation force of attraction of earth on moon and the displacement of moon is perpendicular to the force. Both are perpendicular, so moon will not attract towards the sun. When to the roller or to the stone you are pushing, in that which direction you are pushing, on that direction it is moving. Same direction. Pushing on the direction, moving on the direction, both are same. So positive work done. Spring, if I will push, release, spring will go back in opposite direction. So force this direction, movement this direction, both are opposite. Negative work done. This is the main point which I taught in previous lecture. Now energy. Main energy, 2 types: potential energy, kinetic energy. First point, definition. Second point, formula. Third point, depend on. Fourth point, can work directly or not. Three, three. Energy. Energy are mainly of two type: kinetic energy, potential energy. Host, is it okay? Okay, whenever it is disturbed, you just okay. So energy are of two type: potential energy, kinetic energy. On 5 point, you have to discuss both. So three big answer will be prepared. Short note on potential energy, short note on kinetic energy, and distinguish. In this way, you have to study all the topic comparatively. If you will compare, no, that you will remind the most. Energy, it is one type of the force. It is divided mainly into two types: potential energy, kinetic energy. The substance having the energy or the object having the energy due to its position, P for potential energy, position. The object having energy due to its position. Only one word: position into motion. One word you have to change. The object having energy due to its motion. Energy due to motion. Energy due to position. The object having energy. Object having energy due to its position. Big stone, you are applying lots of force. It is not moving because there is energy inside the stone. Why? Because of the position. BMC water comes in the society to the underground tank. Automatically it will not goes up. Energy by position. By water pumping, we will lift up into the terrace tank. Then with easy opening the tap, you can get water in each and every house, each and every floor. Because of the position. Building, by giving lots of pressure, it will not move. Moving, but it's not moving. So energy, which type of the energy, which energy will not allow it to move? Position energy. So the energy possessed by a body due to its position, that is a potential energy. Kinetic energy, the object having the energy by its motion itself. It has no energy, but by motion, by moving, by speed, it has energy. Now, wait 10 second. Wait. Okay. The object having energy due to its motion, due to its speed, that is known as kinetic energy. In Ramayana and Mahabharata, you must have seen arrow and bow. So arrow with your hands, if you will throw, it will not pass through the paper or wood or metal, very uh, thin metal. You must have seen the bullet, means gun, firing gun in film. So that bullet with hand, if you will throw, it will not pass through the body, it will not enter into the body, it will not enter into the wooden block. And this fan is moving. When it is stopped with the arms, you cannot make a mark on your finger. But when it will move, it is in position of movement. If you will put a finger, it will cut. So from where the energy comes? Because of the motion. Bullet, if you will throw, it will not pass through the piece of paper or from the piece of wood. But if it is fired from the gun, same bullet will pass from paper, wood, it can enter in the body. So initially there was no energy. Now how energy comes? Arrow by very high speed, if you will throw, it will not penetrate even paper. But by stretch bow, if it is moved, so this same bow will cross, means pass the paper. So automatically why this energy are coming? By speed. By speed. Only bullet cannot work. If it is fired, it can work. Only arrow cannot work. By bow, if the speed is given, fan, that arms cannot work. But if it is moving, so that energy comes suddenly, all of a sudden, by its motion, by its speed, by its kinetic. So only two words you have to use. Energy possessed by an object due to its position. One word. The energy possessed by a body due to its motion. So here P for position, here motion. Due to its motion, due to its position, due to the position potential energy, due to the kinetic energy. Yes, yes. Okay. Now, it's a very cloudy and rainy atmosphere is there. Okay, due to the motion, kinetic energy, due to the position, potential energy. Then formula, potential energy formula is equal to mgh. Kinetic energy formula half m v square. mgh, m is the mass of the object, g is the gravitational force acting on a body, h is the height of that object from the surface. So more the height, more the product will come. More the height, more the product, more energy. So it depends. So this you can't change, this also you can't change, but you can change this height. So it depends on height of the object. First message is coming that lots of Students are in waiting room. Just see. Kinetic energy, it is half mv square. Half, that is a constant that you cannot change. M, that is a mass of the object that also you cannot change. Speed, v is a velocity, speed that you can change. So it depends on v. Potential energy cannot do but directly. Can do directly. I will give you the example for that. Students are the flow is in and out, in and out, in and out. That disturbs me. Potential energy, kinetic energy. Both are the source or the form of the energy. Definition by just changing one word. The energy possessed by a body due to its position, that is potential energy. The energy possessed by a body due to its motion, that is potential kinetic energy. Then both the formula. Potential energy is equal to half, or potential energy is equal to mgh, mass constant, gravitational force constant. It depends on height. More the height, more the potential energy. Then kinetic energy formula, half mv square. So half constant, always that you have to substitute for each formula, each problem. M is the mass of the object, that is also constant. V is not constant. If V is more, kinetic energy is more. If V is more the speed, more the kinetic energy. So formula distinguish, definition distinguish. From the formula you can write depend on H, depend on V. Fourth distinguish point I have written, potential energy cannot do direct work. Kinetic energy can do direct work. For example, alarm or old ancient that key wala watch, you have to wind the spring. For the alarm also you have to wind the spring. So by winding you are giving potential energy. Then slowly it will open and work. So convert into kinetic energy. Water stored in the ground level by BMC in the society, it will not flow automatically to all the floor. So that is a potential energy. And by pump we have to uplift on a upper tank of the society. Then when you will open your tap, you will get the flow. So that potential energy we have converted into kinetic energy, then only it can move. So we need to convert potential into kinetic, then it will work. But kinetic directly can work. So that you have to clear. Now very good point. Three example of both you have to keep in mind. Potential energy. A big stone, 10 people are pushing, it is not moving. So the energy possessed by that body is potential energy. Big building, lots of public moving, it will not move. Potential energy. The water stored in the tank underground will not uplift, automatic. Potential energy. Bullet loaded into the gun, loaded, not fired, loaded in the gun, potential energy. Arrow stretch on a bow, stretch, not thrown, stretch, that is a potential energy. Now kinetic energy. Moving fan, kinetic energy. Moving vehicle, kinetic energy. Fired gun, not loaded gun. Fired gun, kinetic energy. Arrow thrown by bow, kinetic energy. See, these are the confusing. They will ask you to classify into potential energy, kinetic energy. Stretch bow, you have to write potential. A bow, arrow thrown by arrow, bow, arrow thrown by bow, kinetic energy. Loaded gun, you have to write potential. Fired gun, you have to write kinetic energy. So you have to imagine that if the object is moving, that goes into 5-6 examples they will give. They will ask you to identify the energy possessed by a body. It is potential or a kinetic. Okay, so like that. Energy and work are the same. How much work done, that much energy create. So energy and work have the same unit, which joule or hour. We measure work is equal to force into displacement. So joule or erg. So energy also joule or erg. How much joule work done? How much joule energy possessed by the body? Transformation of energy. If one type of the energy convert into the another type of the energy, simple form, transformation. One type into another type. Best example, any chargeable battery, for example mobile battery. Inside there is a chemical energy. When we charge, electrical energy convert into the chemical energy. When battery we use at that time chemical energy into electrical energy. That this is the transfer of the energy. The best example is mobile battery. While charging, electric into chemical. While using, chemical into electrical. Second best example, electricity. You just keep three things. Electricity, which type of energy by which apparatus. Best example of transformation of energy. First of all, transformation of energy means one type of energy you are converting into second type of the energy. When you switch on, fan start. So electric energy into kinetic energy. When you switch on, tube light on, it gives light. So electric energy into light energy. Someone push the bell button from outside the home, bell will ring. Electric into sound energy. Heater, geyser, oven, iron. Heater, geyser, oven, iron. On switching, we will get the heat. We will get the heat. So electrical energy into heat energy. Electric into sound, electric into light, electric into kinetic, electric into sound, heat, light, motion. These all are transformation of energy. Best example. Electricity is also the best example. On switching, fan, kinetic. On switching, light and tube light energy. On switching, bell ring, sound energy. On switching, heater, geyser, oven, iron will work. That is and heat energy. So these are the best example. For energy, 4 points you have to remember. We can never create energy. We can never destroy energy. We can never create. हम बना नहीं सकते, एनर्जी को बना नहीं सकते. हम उसको बिगाड़ भी नहीं सकते, वी कांट डिस्ट्रॉयड द एनर्जी। तो क्या कर सकते, वन फॉर्म इंटू अनदर फॉर्म, ये नहीं चाहिए तो इसमें इसको इसमें कन्वर्ट किया, इलेक्ट्रिक इंटू लाइट, इलेक्ट्रिक इंटू साउंड, इलेक्ट्रिक इंटू हीट, इलेक्ट्रिक इंटू केमिकल, वी कैन कन्वर्ट। टू थिंग्स वी कैन नॉट डू, व्हाट वी कैन डू, वी कैन कन्वर्ट। So the things we cannot create, the things we cannot destroy, means what, the whatever the amount, that will be the constant on the universe. The things we cannot create, we cannot add, we cannot subtract, so that number will be the same for long time, for permanent time. So that 4 point includes in the definition of law of conservation of energy. Law of conservation of energy. Four points you have to write. They will ask the definition. Law of conservation of energy. 4 point. Energy cannot be created. Energy cannot be destroyed. So what can do? Energy can be transferred from one form to the another form, so that the total amount on the universe will be constant for the energy. Energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. Only we can convert from one form to the another form, and the total amount of the energy will remain same. That is the conservation of energy. That is the best part. Now last topic I want to discuss, last, power. First we have discussed work, then we have discussed energy, now power. First work, second energy, third power, this is Fs. This can be mgh or half mv square. But the power, two people are doing the same work but in different time. So who will do in less time, his or her power will be more. Two things or two machines are doing same work. Work is same but the time is different. So which can do work in less time, more power. So power is equal to work by time. The rate at which work done, definition is what? Power definition, work definition of power is what? The rate at which work done, that is a power. What is the formula? Work divided by time. Work, it is joule, and this is in second. Joule per second, it is watt. Not WHAT watt, WATT watt. 1 joule per 1 second, it is 1 watt. In 1 second, 1 joule of work is done. Who is talking parallel to me? Pagal. See this type of disturbance, no, I will forget. In 1 second, 1 joule work is done. So power is 1 watt. On the machine, you must have read that the power is written in the form of work, in the form of watt. Both the way you can say, in 1 second 1 joule work, 1 watt power, or 1 joule work done in 1 second. In 1 second 1 joule work, or 1 joule work in 1 second, same, gives 1 watt. Now there are some conversion. One kilowatt hours. Kilowatt means 1000 watt. 1 hour means 3600 second. What you are writing? That writing. नहीं, आई डिड गुरु पूर्णिमा को गुरु सरप्राइज दे कि स्टूडेंट सरप्राइज दे, वो मुझे बोलो। ये तो मेरे से सरप्राइज मांग रहे, उल्टा है, जमाना उल्टा हो गया ना। तो गुरु द्रोणाचार्य चले गए, चाणक्य चले गए, लिखिए, देखो ना लिख क्या रहे। ओके, एट द एंड आई विल गिव सम भाषण। ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम। सो दिस 3 6 1 2 3 4 5 1 second. So 3.6 into 10 raised to 6. Correct? Correct. 1 kilowatt hours. 1 kilo means 1000 watt. And 1 hour. In 1 hour, there are 3600 seconds. So 3600 into 1000 is equal to 36 into these 3 zeros, these 2 zeros. This. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 I have taken point here and this. And one more point it is given, 1 HP. This is a commercial unit, 746. In MCQ they will ask 1 HP means how much watt. See, like a dozen, somebody will ask you how much pieces are there in 1 dozen. So 12. Silver jubilee means 25. Golden jubilee 50. Platinum jubilee 75. Century 100. Decades 10. Sorry. Some word indicate number. Some word indicate number. For example, dozen means 12. Century means 100. 1 gross means 12 into 12, 144. Papers, no, generally for Xerox paper we are getting. So the bunch of gross, 1 gross. So it is 144 piece. So one word gives one number. 1 hour, 3600 second. Like that, 746 watt when you will collect. Watt, not watt. Watt. It gives 1 HP. H dot P dot means what? Horsepower. This is horsepower. In 1 horse there is this much power, 746 watt. Because that animal is the highest energetic animal, and with compared to that energy they compared to this. Okay, now if you want surprise from me, so on this special occasion of Guru Purnima, I want to give. Suno na, kali suno. On the special occasion of Guru Purnima, one message from the Guru. जाकिर हुसैन का नाम आप लोगों ने सुना होगा। जाकिर हुसैन वर्ल्ड बेस्ट तबला प्लेयर, वर्ल्ड बेस्ट, हिंदुस्तान का नहीं पूरे वर्ल्ड का बेस्ट तबला प्लेयर। तो एक लाइव शो था, तो वो शो में बैठ के वो तबले का जो कार्नर जो होता है ना, वो स्मॉल हैमर से उसको एडजस्ट करना पड़ता है। तो उसके शागिर्द और उसके हेल्पर ये सब वो उसे कर रहे थे, वो भी गद्दी पे बैठे थे। तो उसको भी हैमर की ज़रूरत पड़ी, तो मांगा उसके जो हेल्पर थे ना, बोले हैमर दो। तो वो उठने की बजाय उससे बोला मैं थ्रो करूं, बोला थ्रो इट। तो उसने थ्रो किया। जाकिर साहब पकड़ने गए तो पकड़ नहीं पाए, लेकिन एक तबला था उस पर वो हैमर पड़ी और तबला फूट गया, मतलब ऊपर का जो लेदर था। तो तभी तो उसने कुछ एक्सप्रेशन नहीं बताया। अहमद खान बंद करो माइक कैमरा, उसे कुछ रिएक्शन नहीं बताया, लेकिन वो जिसने वो थ्रो किया था देने के लिए एकदम डर गया, बोले वर्ल्ड बेस्ट प्लेयर, और उसका तबला मैंने तोड़ दिया। कितना घबरा गया वो, मतलब वहाँ से निकल गया, बोले चालू स्टेज पे चालू शो में मुझे मारेंगे, डांटेंगे, कुछ बोलेंगे, और ये हर एक चीज़ इसकी तो स्पेशल बनती है, स्पेशल हर एक खाली जाकिर हुसैन के लिए बनती है, तो कितनी कॉस्टली होगी, ना मैं पैसा दे पाऊँगा, ना मैं अपमान झेल पाऊँगा, तो वो वहाँ से चले गए। तो उसके पास तो बहुत साजिंदे होते, तो प्रिपरेस करके प्रोग्राम बहुत अच्छे से हुआ। फिर जाकिर साहब ने बोला कि वो बंदा कहाँ गया, बुला उसको। तो यूनिट में तो था, वो स्टेज पे नहीं था। बुलाया, बोले आप क्यों नहीं थे यहाँ पर? तो बोले सर एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी, देखो ये मेरे से गलती हो गई, ये फूट गया, बहुत कीमती था। रोने लगा। तब जो बात जाकिर हुसैन ने कही वो आप बराबर दिल से सुनो कि बेटा मैंने जो महारत हासिल की है ना, वो ये तबले की बदौलत नहीं की है, मेरे हुनर की बदौलत की है। मेरी प्रैक्टिस, मेरा रियाज वो इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं, ये तबला इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है। तबला एक फूट गया, मैंने दूसरा डाला है, तो मेरा जो हुनर है ना वो हाथ में है, वो नहीं टूटा है, ये टूटा है, मटेरियल टूटा है। तो टीचर है ना, टीचर के अंदर हुनर है, वो हुनर आपको सिखाना चाहते हैं, तो दैट यू हैव टू कैच वेरी पॉजिटिवली। कोई मटेरियलिज्म में गाइड टेक्स्ट बुक उसमें वो नहीं है, तो किस में है? गुरु में। तो गुरु विल गिव यू दैट स्पेसिफिक डायरेक्शन कि क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, क्या बनना है। तो ऑलवेज respect your God, your parents and your teachers. Thank you. Okay. होस्ट मुझे बॉयज़ गर्ल्स फोटोग्राफ्स और ये सब भेजो। किसी को कुछ बोलना है? अभिजीत यही अच्छा लगता है, जब पढ़ाता हूँ तभी अच्छा नहीं लगता है, बस ये सब स्टोरी सुनाता हूँ ना, शाहरुख खान सलमान खान की तो अच्छी लगे। किसी को कुछ बोलना है तो बोलो।